A very good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? I hope to all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to Mass Online Education. Today class is Synopsis 8 IIT Mathematics Synopsis 8 Real Numbers and Solved Problems. A very good afternoon, my dear students. Today class is IIT Maths Synopsis 8. In this case of Synopsis 8 or real numbers and solve the problems. We know that real numbers, what is a real number? The combination of rational and irrational numbers. The combination of rational and irrational numbers. We know that a rational number is a form of P by Q. Q not equal to 0, P and Q are integers. Okay. Irrational numbers, decimal numbers are there, terminating numbers, non-terminating and recurring numbers. Okay. Already we learned in the real numbers topic. Okay. Solve these problems. Solved problems. First one is if A equal to 3 power minus 3 minus 3 cube and B equal to 3 power 3 minus 3 power minus 3, then find the value of A by B minus B by A. A by B minus B by A. First given that solution A is equal to 3 power minus 3 minus 3 power 3. So already we know laws of exponents, a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. We know that laws of exponents, a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. So here substitute the formula 1 by 3 power 3 minus 3 power 3. Okay children. So here write 1 by 3 power 3 means 3 into 3 minus 3 into 3. Okay children. So it is a. So then finally a is equal to 1 by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So it is a value of a. It is a value of a. And at the same time B is equal to 3 power 3 minus 3 power minus 3. We should write here at the same process using by laws of exponents 3 power 3 minus 1 by 3 power 3 because of here a power minus m formula. So here write B is equal to 3 power 3 means we should write here 3 in 3 times 3 into 3 minus 1 by 3 into 3. So here 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 1 by 27. Same 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Here once observe that the same terms are there, but it is a first term is a fraction numbers and minus 27 is there. Here first term is the 27, so minus 1 by 27. So here write I keep the minus common. So here minus common means in this term total in the grouped numbers minus term is we should write here first term and minus 27. Once multiply the inside of symbol minus into 1 by 27 minus 1 by 27 minus into minus plus 27. Okay children. So here 1 by 27 minus 27 right here a. Okay children. Therefore a equal to 1 by 27 minus 27. So it is a. So therefore B equal to minus A. It is the equation 1. Okay children, it is the equation 1. So here find the value. What is the given that the value A by B minus B by A. We substitute the value. Okay. So here A by B. Already we write here a place of a. We should write here b is equal to minus a. So substitute the b value minus here b equal to minus a by a. Okay. Here write minus a by a minus into minus plus a by a. Okay children. So here LCM is the a. Because of it is 2, same is there. Okay children. A minus a. One time minus 1 into a plus 1 into a. So minus a plus a by a. So here 0 by a equal to 0. 0 by a equal to 0. So write here this process, or here or a is a one time possible, it is a one time possible. Minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. We should do the 2 process. Okay children. It is also correct and up to here also correct. Okay children, did you understand this problem? Solve this problem. Okay. Okay. Next second problem. By what number should minus 3 by 2 whole power minus 3 be divided so that quotient is 9 by 4 whole power minus 2? Once again repeating question. By what number should minus 3 by 2 whole power minus 3 be divided so that quotient is 9 by 4 whole power minus 2? Did you understand children? Which number is divided? So for example, one number were given, another number, which number is divided, divided the number, they will get a coefficient 9 by 5, 9 by 4 whole power minus 2. Okay, here only one fraction are given that. Now let the number is x. Let the number is x. Okay. According to the problem, minus 3 by 2 whole power minus 3 divided by x equal to, will get a coefficient is 9 by 4 whole power minus 2. Okay, we know that already a by b whole power m equal to, a by b whole power minus m equal to b by a whole power m. B by a whole power m. It is a class of exponents. A by b whole power minus m equal to b by a whole power m. So here write minus 2 by 3 whole power 3 divided by x. Comparing the laws of exponents. So change it to the numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. Okay, 2 by 3 whole power 3 divided by x is equal to 4 by 9 whole power 2. Okay, did you understand? Change the numerator and the denominator. We should write here numerator place is the denominator and the denominator place is the numerator. Okay children. So here separate the minus 2 by 3 whole cube divided by x equal to, it is a square number, 4 is a 2 square, write here 2 into 2 by 3 3s are 9. We should write here square numbers. So here write whole square, 2 square by 3 square whole square. Okay children. So here minus 2 by 3 whole power 3 divided by x equal to 2 by 3 whole square whole power 2. We should write here in the form of a exponential form. 2 by 3 whole square. We should write here as usual power. Okay. So a power m whole power n. A power m, since here a power m into a power n equal to, a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n. Laws of exponents. It is a total of a power m whole power n. Right here minus 2 by 3 whole cube divided by x is equal to 2 by 3 whole power m into n means 2 into 2. Okay. So finally we should write here 2 by 3 whole cube divided by x equal to 2 by 3 whole power 4. Okay children, did you understand? Next. So here 2 by 3 whole cube divided by x is equal to 2 by 3 whole power 4. It is not there of denominator. It is totally numerator. Denominator not there. We should write here 1. Do the cross multiplication. Minus 2 by 3 whole cube into 1 is equal to x into 2 by 3 whole power 4. Did you understand children? Cross multiplication. 1 into minus 2 by 3 whole cube is equal to x into 2 by 3 whole power 4. Okay. Next, here write x equal to, it is a multiplicative quantity becomes to divided by quantity. Here write 2 by 3 whole cube by 2 by 3 whole power 4. Did you understand children? It is a multiplication quantity. Multiplication quantity becomes to divided by quantity because of we find them to x value. What is the x? We have to take the number. So x equal to minus 2 by 3 whole power 3 divided by 2 by 3 whole power 4. So here write x is equal to minus 2 by 3 whole cube into 1 by 2 by 3 whole power 4. Did you understand children? I will write here, separate the numerator and denominator. Okay. Minus 2 by 3 whole cube into 1 at same time 2 by 3 whole cube by 2 by 3 whole power 4. So at the same time by using a formula 1 by a power m equal to a power minus m. 1 by a power m equal to a power minus. Totally we should write here a power m. So write here x equal to minus 2 by 3 whole power 3 into, write the a power 2 by 3 whole power minus 4. Okay, m place 4 value is there. M value is the 4. 2 by 3 as usual, right? Okay, minus 4. Therefore, x equal to minus 2 by 3 whole cube into 2 by 3 whole power minus 4. We compare the laws of exponents a power m into a power n. So, once observe that here also 2 by 3 and here also 2 by 3 is two fractions same is there. So, bases are equal, then exponents are adding. Bases are equal. Here symbol is the multiplication. Bases are equal, then exponents are adding. For example, here is equal to is there. Bases are equal, then exponents are equal. Here multiplication symbol is there. So here write a power m into a power n. Write the formula laws of exponents a power m plus n. Okay. Bases are equal, then exponents are adding. Therefore, x equal to minus 2 by 3 whole cube into 2 by 3 whole power minus 4. Write here 2 by 3 whole power 3 plus half minus 4. M plus n. Okay. Write here minus 2 by 3 plus into minus 4. Here write therefore x equal to minus 2 by 3 whole power minus m. At the same time we should write here a by b whole power minus m equal to b by a whole power m. Formula last of. Therefore, x equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Change it to the numerator and denominator. We should write here a power is a positive. So 1 is the as usual right. So 3 by 2. Therefore x equal to minus 3 by 2. So here by what number should minus 3 by 2 minus power of minus 3 be divided so that. So in this number of minus 3 by 2 whole power minus 3 divided by 3 by 2 equal to will get a coefficient is 9 by 4 whole power minus 2. Okay children, did you understand? So therefore x value equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Next third problem. Find the value of 35.7 minus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay children. So it is a very clumsy numbers are there. So we should write here simplest form. We should write here simplest form solution. So first we have to take the 3 plus 1 by 3. So first you have to take the denominator of 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay. So it is take LCM. Take LCM. So here write LCM is denominator not there. We have to take the 1 into 3. The LCM is the 3. So 3. Here 1 is there. 1 3 is 3. So here write 1 how many times? 3 times. So 3 into 3 plus here 3 is a one time possible 1 into 1. Here write 3 3s are 9 plus 1 by 3. 9 plus 1 10 by 3. Okay. Okay children, this is the equation 1. Okay, next one. So next third term. First term, second term and third term is denominator is a 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2. Here write 2 plus 1 by 2. Take LCM. Take LCM. Here also same 1 into 2 equal to, because of here not the denominator. We should write here denominator value is the 1. So the LCM is by 2. 2 times possible 2 into 2 plus 1 time 1 into 1. So here 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1. So 4 plus 1 5 by 2. This is the equation number 2. Okay children, did you understand? Okay. Okay. So here 1 and 2 equations. Substitute 1 and 2 equation. Substitute the according to the problem. Substitute according to the problem. So here what is given that problem? 35.7 minus 3 plus 1 by, what is the 3 plus 1 by 3 value? 10 by 3. 10 by 3. Minus 2 plus, here denominator 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. What we write here? 5 by 2. The value is the 5 by 2. Okay. So 35 minus 7 minus, here write 3 plus, here denominator is a fraction is there. We should write here reverse fraction 3 by 10. 3 by 10 minus 2 plus, as usual here 2 by 5. Because of here 1 by denominator is the fraction is there. 5 by 2. We should write here a reciprocal. So 2 by 5. Okay children. Here take the LCM. Take LCM is 10 here. Okay. In this term of LCM is the 10. And this term of LCM is the 5. LCM is 5 because of here denominator is there, 1 is there, 1 into 5, 5. Here also same, denominator 1 into 10, 10. So 35.7 minus, take the LCM by 10. So here 10, how denominator 1 is there, 1 is the 10 times possible, 10 into 3 plus here 10 is a 1 time possible, 1 into 3 minus LCM is the 5, LCM is the 5. So 5 is how many times of possible? 1 time. So here 5 ones are 5 into 2 plus 5 in 5 1 times possible, 1 into 2. So right here 35.7 minus 10 threes are 30 plus 3 by 10 minus 5 twos are 10 plus 1 twos are 2 by 5. Write the 35.7 minus 30 plus 3, 33 by 10 minus 10 plus 2, 12 by 5. Okay children, so it is also fractions is there. One in a first term is the decimal term is there and the remaining two terms is a fractions is there, fraction numbers. So we change it to the decimal number. 33 by 10 division. How many times possible? 3 times possible. 3 tens are 30. Here 3 is there. We have to take the point and put the point and take 0. Right here 3 tens are 30. So here write 35 point minus 7 minus the value is 33 by 10. 3.3 or another method also is there. Here 1 after how many zeros are? 1 0. We should keep the point left side towards counting the one digit after keep the point 3.3 minus here 12 by 5. 2 times possible, 2 5s tens, remaining 2 is there. Put the point and take the 0, 4 5s 20. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So here write 12 by 5 value is 2.4. So here 35.7 minus, both are symbols of minus. So adding 3 by 3 2.4. 3 plus 4 7, 3 plus 2 5. So here symbol of a minus because of these two numbers terms of symbol is the minus and adding after we keep the symbol of minus. So 35 minus 7 minus 5.7. So therefore 35.7 minus 5.7. 7 minus 7 0. 5 minus 5 0. Remaining 3. So here the value is the 30.0. Finally the value is 30. What is the value of 30? 35 point minus 7 0.7 minus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 30. Okay children, did you understand? First observe the problem. So first change the simplest form. Change the simplest form. Here 3 plus 1 by 3 is there. So we have to take the two equations. The 1 and 2 equations substitute the according to the problem. Okay children. Then value is the 30. Then value is 30. Okay. Next fourth problem. If 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube plus 7 cube plus 8 cube plus 9 cube equal to 2025. In the terms of value is 2025. Then find the value of 0.11 whole cube plus 0.22 whole cube plus 0.33 whole cube plus 0.44 whole cube plus 0.55 whole cube plus 0.66 whole cube plus 0.77 whole cube plus 0.88 whole cube plus 0.99 whole cube. Okay, then you find the value. Okay, okay children, given that, what is the given that? Given that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube plus 7 cube plus 8 cube plus 9 cube equal to 2025. Okay, given that. So you find the value of 0.11 whole cube plus 22 whole cube plus 0.33 whole cube plus 0.44 whole cube plus 0.55 whole cube plus 0.66 whole cube plus 0.77 whole cube plus 0.88 whole cube plus 0.99 whole cube. So I will change the decimal number, change to fraction. Decimal number change to fraction. So here point after how many digits are there? 2 digits. We should write here denominator by 100. Okay, so all are right in denominator by 100. 22 by 100 whole cube plus 33 by 100 whole cube plus 44 by 100 whole cube plus 55 by 100 whole cube plus 66 by 100 whole cube plus 77 by 100 whole cube plus 88 by 100 whole cube plus 99 by 100 whole cube. Okay children, just change it to the fraction. Decimal number change it to the fraction number. So here 1 into 11 by 100 whole cube. Okay, I will separate the multiplication method. 1 into 11 by 100 whole cube plus here 2 into 11 by 100 whole cube. 2 11s 22 by 100. Okay, plus here 3 into 11 by 100 whole cube. 3 3s are 3 11s are 33 by 100. So all numbers are changed to the 4 into 11 by 100 whole cube plus 5 into 11 by 100 whole cube plus 6 into 11 by 100 whole cube plus 7 into 11 by 100 whole cube plus 8 into 11 by 100 whole cube plus 9 into 11 by 100 whole cube. Okay children, did you understand? So now here a into b whole power m. Comparing with the laws of exponents, a power m ab whole power m equal to a power m into b power m. Laws of exponents, ab whole power m equal to a power m into b power m. So all are right here ab whole power m. We should write here separate of every number. That is equal to 1 cube into 11 by 100 whole cube plus 2 cube into 11 by 100 whole cube plus 3 cube into 11 by 100 whole cube plus 4 cube into 11 by 100 whole cube plus 5 cube into 11 by 100 whole cube plus 6 cube into 11 by 100 whole cube plus 7 cube into 11 by 100 whole cube plus 8 cube into 11 by 100 whole cube plus 9 cube into 11 by 100 whole cube. Children, once observe this problem. So here all how many terms are there? It is up to here one term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 terms. In this case of 9 terms, 11 by 100 whole cube is a common number is there. Okay, 9 terms here having 11 by 100 whole cube is common. So we should write here 11 by 100 whole cube will keep the common. We should keep the common 11 by 100 whole cube into. So here remaining what we there here 1 cube. Okay, plus here 2 cube. Here already 11 by 100 whole cube common will become. So here 3 cube remaining all 4 cube plus 5 cube next plus 6 cube plus 7 cube plus 8 cube plus 9 cube. Okay children. So here write 11 by 100 whole cube into already given that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube equal to the value is the 2025 into 2025. Okay children, 2025. Did you understand? Okay. Now here write the 11 cube means write the 11 into 11 into 11 by 100 means 100 into 100 into 100. A by B whole power m. A power m into B power m. 11 into 11 into 11 by 100 into 100 into 100. Okay. Into 2025. Okay. Here 11 into 11 into 11. 11 11s are 121. We know square number into 11. 11 ones 11. 1 ones 1. 1 twos 2. 1 ones 1. 1 ones 1. 1 twos 2. 1 ones 1. Here 1. 3, 3, 1. Here write 1331 by how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write the 6 zeros. 1. Here. Okay. Into 2025. So here multiply that into 2025. 5, 15, 5 3s are 15, again 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16, 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6, 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, again 2 1s 2, 2 3 6, 2 3 6, 2 1s 2, 5, 2, 6 plus 6, 12, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15, 2 plus 6, 8 plus 1, 9, 6, 2. Okay. That is equal to 2695225 by 1 after 6 zeros. Okay children. So it is a division method. I given the CW, but here right here how many zeros are the denominator? 1 2 3 4 5 6. We should keep the point 1 2 3 4 5 6. After right left side I was counting the number 6 digits after keep the point 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means we should write here 2.695. 52225. Okay, then what is the value? 0.11 whole cube plus 0.22 whole cube plus 0.33 whole cube plus 0.44 whole cube plus 0.55 whole cube plus 0.66 whole cube plus 0.77 whole cube plus 0.88 whole cube plus 0.99 whole cube equal to 2.695225. Okay children, did you understand this process? Okay. Thank you, my dear students.